sleep at night. I wanna pull up on you, baby. You ain't out to find. Where you going as you crazy, you don't.
Yo, so what's up? My name is Oscar Hurtado. I'm the owner of Darkroomcollage, my brand. We originally came out with the cross print. I originally came out with the cross print for my, the original design was for a hoodie, but then I just wanted to mess around with it because I saw it was popular within the crowd, and I always wanted to do pants, so I did cargos. And today I'm just going to show you the little steps I take to distress it a little bit, kind of just make it my own. I use an X-Acto knife to cut around the pockets, through the belt loop holes. I sand it with the sander over here. So I got this, I sand a little bit. I'm gonna change out the sanding paper. Again, like I said, I take it around the pockets. I unhem the bottom of the pant hole so it kind of drapes over your shoe a little bit better. But yeah, just all in all, it gives it like a faded, vintage type style look. But I have a couple more pairs that I'm gonna finish right now because I did most of them the past 2 days. I recently just got them from my printer because it took a while from Fort Carhart to send it to my printer. But yeah, it's all the process, and you can still order them. It's just some sizes are unavailable right now, but I keep checking the website frequently. And I did a brown pair with a kind of like a cream and pink logo colorway, and then I did a green pair as well, but I changed up the color scheme. We left the middle part open. If you want me to get it closer, we left the middle part open. We put black around the cross. Just a cool colorway. But again, we have green as well, and I'll just take you guys through the little steps that I do, so you can do it at home, do it to your own pair if you want. And yeah. Alright, so I recorded a clip of distressing them. Yeah, I went along the pockets, ripped it all up, went around the waistband, cut that up, cut the pockets, both pockets, back pockets as well. Scratched up the Carhartt logo, and then so right now I'm unhemming the bottom of the cuff of the pant. And what you want to do, I think I already did it here, yeah. So you want to go all the way around the cuff of the pant and just take out the little threads that you see, which like right here, and you just undo a couple of them, and then you can start pulling them apart, but do it slowly so you don't rip up the whole bottom of the pants. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep distressing it, unhemming, run through all of them right now, and then put them to wash and hang dry them, and then ship them out to you guys. So yeah, it's a little process.
When it's haunted dreams always finding. Dreamers start to believe me. Dreaming, tell me believe.